On the bench, I have the SundpeyPRO 1/2" 21-volt cordless impact wrench. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And this is the kit. Comes with a hard plastic case and a really easy to grab handle here. Inside the kit, you are going to get 2 4,000 milliamp lithium ion batteries, which should give you a decent amount of usage time. There's a little button on the back here to instantly see what your charge is at, which is kind of cool. You're going to get the charger that comes with that, and these batteries just slide on here like this. This light's red when it's not charging, it turns green when it's complete. The plug-in cable is about 3 foot long. You're going to get the impact gun itself, which is pretty top heavy without a battery on it. Once you put the battery on, it bounces out pretty nice. You're going to get a couple of O-rings and a couple of pins, because the option for the pin is here. And you're going to get 6 sockets with it, a 12, 14, 17, 19, 21, and a 22 millimeter. Look like pretty decent steel sockets. 19 is the one that works on my car. The case itself measures in at a little over 13 by 10 by 4 inches tall. The entire kit, case and all, weighs a total of about 9.5 pounds, so it's compact and relatively lightweight and easy to transport and carry. Looking at the impact wrench itself, it has a nice ergonomic feel to it. Like I said, once you put the battery on, it bounces off really nice. The grip has a nice ergonomic feel to it. It is a non-slip rubber grip on there, so it feels really comfortable in my hand. You got a little wrist strap here if you want to use that, though I wouldn't. Just like on most drills, we're going to have a forward and reverse buttons right here where your thumb rests on the handle, right where it normally is. What's in forward mode, you got 3 different speeds you can choose from. Level 1, slow, medium, or fast. And when it's in reverse counterclockwise mode, there's also an auto stop mode that you can turn off or on right here. You can see. But you can see a couple of lights are on here when it's on, and if you put it in the middle position, it turns it off. The impact wrench has a brushless motor on it that is able to provide up to 750 foot-pounds or about 1,000 newtons. It's great to help loosen a variety of nuts and bolts. When I think of an impact wrench, my mind goes right to car tires, car lugs, but there are plenty of other uses. The motor has a 50 amp overload protection feature, and the battery has a 60 amp overload protection feature. When the current exceeds any of those values, the device will shut itself down to prevent any damage to the battery or to the motor. I haven't had that happen, but they say if it does happen, let it rest for a while and it'll reset itself when it's ready again. So there you go, nice feeling, pretty powerful cordless impact kit that would be obviously great for auto repairs, machinery and equipment repairs, construction, the car or the garage. Easy to store wherever you want to keep it, very nice.